Assalamu alaikum audience. How are you all? I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves. Okay. So today we will start reading of chapter number 4, Aladdin and the Princess. Princess Badrul Badur. One day Aladdin went to the market as usual to sell the genie's silver dish. This time he went to a different shopkeeper. He gave Aladdin a lot of money for the dish. Aladdin showed him some of the fruit from the magic trees. I'm sure that you won't want these, he said, but aren't they beautiful? They are wonderful jewels, said the shopkeeper. Take care of them, my boy. They are great treasures. Suddenly there was a lot of noise in the street. What is happening? Asked Aladdin. Princess Badrul Badur is coming this way, said the shopkeeper. She is the king's daughter. She comes past here on her way to the baths. The king will not let anyone see her face, so everyone has to go inside. तो स्टोरी शुरू हुई है. हमने पीछे पढ़ा था कि अलादीन जो है वो सिल्वर डिश जो है वो सेल करने जाता था. इस दफ़ा अलादीन एक डिफरेंट शॉप पे गया. उस शॉपकीपर ने उसको बहुत अच्छे से पैसे दिए उस डिश के. अलादीन ने उसे अपने वो फ्रूट्स भी दिखाए. तो उस बंदे ने कहा कि उस शॉपकीपर ने बेसिकली कहा कि ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत से जूल्स हैं, इनको बिल्कुल संभाल के रखो. एकदम से जो है वो उस गली में शोर मचना शुरू हो गया. अलादीन ने कहा ये क्या है. तो शॉपकीपर ने कहा कि ये एक प्रिंसेस है बदरुल बदूर और ये जहाँ से गुज़रती है और सबको अंदर जाना होता है, कोई भी इसको देख नहीं सकता. अलादीन wanted to see her. He hid behind a wall near the baths. लेकिन अलादीन उसको देखना चाहता था, इसलिए वो जो है वो छुप गया. Soon Princess Badrul Badur appeared with her servants. When she came near the door of the baths, she took off her veil. Aladdin saw her lovely face and fell in love with her at once. He went home to his mother. He was quiet all evening. लेकिन उसने फिर बदरुल बदूर को देख लिया और उसको अच्छी भी लगी. घर चला गया और सारा दिन खामोशी से गुजारा. At last he told his mother, I love Princess Badrul Badur. I want to marry her. He said, please go to the king and tell him. You silly boy, do you think the king will let a poor tailor's son marry his daughter? His mother replied, I love her, mother. I must try to win her. A shopkeeper told me these fruits are wonderful treasures. Put them in one of the silver dishes and make them to the king. टेक देम टू द किंग. आई एम श्योर ही विल लिसन टू यू. तो उसने अपनी मदर को बताया कि और जो है वो उस किंग की उस बेटी से शादी करना चाहता है. मदर ने कहा कि तुम पागल हो, एक गरीब जो है, हम इतने गरीब हैं, हमारे साथ वो क्यों शादी करेगा अपनी बेटी की. तो फिर उसने बताया कि मुझे शॉपकीपर ने कहा है कि ये जो है बहुत महंगे से ट्रेजर है, ये फ्रूट्स नहीं है, ये बहुत अच्छा सा ट्रेजर है, सिल्वर डिश के अंदर ये लिख के रख के लेके जाएँ तो मेरा ख्याल है कि किंग आपकी बात सुनेगा. A present for the king. The next day, Aladdin's mother took the beautiful silver dish full of magic fruits to the king's palace. She put a clean cloth over the dish and waited outside. Soon the king came out and Aladdin's mother called to him. The king saw the old lady in her poor thin clothes. He spoke to his vizier, the chief of his servants. Bring that woman here. Perhaps she has a homemade cake for me under the cloth. अब वो वही फ्रूट्स अच्छी तरह से सजा कर जो है वो किंग के लिए लेगी. और किंग जैसे ही जो है वो सामने आया तो उसने अलादीन की मदर ने उसको आवाज़ लगाई. अब किंग ने अपना वज़ीर भेजा. उसने कहा कि जाओ देखो, हो सकता है ये औरत जो है मेरे लिए एक होममेड केक यानी घर में बनाया हुआ केक लेके आई हो. अलादीन्स मदर knelt at the king's feet. Forgive me, great king, she begged, and then she told him how her son Aladdin loved Princess Badrul Badur. My son sends you these, she said. She lifted the cloth and the king saw the wonderful jewels. His eyes shone. Look, vizier, have you ever seen jewels like this? Of course, this young man must marry my daughter. तो अब जैसे ही उसके पास आई तो जो अलादीन ने उसको कहा था वो जाकर उसने किंग को बताया और उसने ऊपर से जो है वो कपड़ा उठाया. तो किंग ने वो जूल्स देखे तो वाकई वो बहुत हैरान हुआ कि ऐसे, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसे जो जूल्स हैं वो तो पहले कभी नहीं देखे थे. तो उस किंग ने कहा, ऑफ कोर्स दिस यंग मैन कैन मैरी माई डॉटर. The vizier was unhappy. He wanted his son to marry Princess Badrul Badur. Give me 3 months, great king, he begged. In that time, my son will be able to give you a much richer present than this. The king liked his vizier, so he agreed. He said to Aladdin's mother, tell your son that I thank him for this wonderful present. Perhaps I will let him marry Princess Badrul Badur, but he must wait for 3 months, then I will decide. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि वज़ीर चाहता था कि उसके बेटे से प्रिंसेस की शादी हो, इसलिए उसने किंग को कहा कि 3 महीने का टाइम दें, इससे भी अच्छा तोहफ़ा जो है हम आपकी खिदमत में पेश करेंगे। और क्योंकि किंग को अपना वज़ीर बहुत पसंद था, इसलिए वो जो है वो मान गया। और अलादीन की मदर को भी उसने यही कहा कि गिफ्ट मुझे बहुत पसंद आया है, लेकिन 3 महीने के लिए वेट करें, फिर मैं अपना फ़ाइनल डिसीजन दूँगा। The genie helps Aladdin. Time went by very slowly for Aladdin. 2 months passed, then Aladdin heard some horrible news. Princess Badrul Badur was going to marry the vizier's son that night. Aladdin was hurt and angry. He rubbed the magic lamp and genie appeared. The king has given his daughter to another man, said Aladdin. Bring Princess Badrul Badur and the vizier's sons to me tonight. The genie disappeared and returned with Princess Badrul Badur in one hand and the vizier's son in the other. Put him in a safe place, said Aladdin to the genie. He looked at Badrul Badur. Do not be afraid, he said. You are quite safe here. The king said I could marry you, and now he has given you to another man. I had to stop the wedding. Sleep now, and in the morning I will take you back to your father. When Badrul Badur saw Aladdin, she fell in love with him. She did not like the vizier's son. She thought Aladdin would be a much better husband for her. In the morning, the genie took Badrul Badur back to her room in the king's palace. He took the vizier's son back to his father's house. तो शादी होने लगी थी बदरुल बदूर और वज़ीर के बेटे की, लेकिन अलादीन ने क्या किया, चिराग से जिन निकाला और उसको कहा कि उन दोनों को यहाँ पर ले आओ, और वो उन दोनों को यहाँ पर ले आए और फिर इस तरह से उनकी शादी नहीं हो सकी। The frightened young man went to the king at once. He told him all about the genie. He told him how the genie had carried him away in one hand and the princess in the other. He thought the princess had told the genie what to do. He thought she was a witch. I cannot marry your daughter after all, said the vizier's son. Badrul Badur said nothing at all. She was thinking about Aladdin. The king did not believe that young man's story. He thought he was mad. He was glad that the vizier's son was not going to marry his daughter. A month later, he told his servants to bring Aladdin's mother to him. Your son may marry my daughter, he said, but first he must bring me 40 gold dishes full of those fruit jewels. तो अब वज़ीर के बेटे ने खुद इनकार कर दिया, क्योंकि उसको लगा कि वो जीनी जो था वो उस प्रिंसेस का था, और उसने कहा कि मैं ऐसी जो है वो एक डायन से शादी नहीं करना चाहता। तो अब किंग ने कहा कि ठीक है, अलादीन से कहो कि अलादीन की मदर से कहो कि वो आए, उसका बेटा मेरी बेटी से शादी कर सकता है। उसके लिए उसे क्या करना होगा, 40 गोल्ड की डिशेस और उसमें वैसे ही फ्रूट जूल्स पड़े हुए हों। अच्छा, 40 dishes full of jewels. This will teach Aladdin not to be so silly, the old lady said to herself. But to her surprise, Aladdin was quite happy. He went to his room and rubbed the lamp. The genie appeared at once, and Aladdin told him what he wanted. In a very short time, the genie came back with 40 servants. Each carried a very large gold dish. Each dish was full of the wonderful fruit jewels from the magic garden. Aladdin called his mother. Go with these to the king, he said, and tell him I love his daughter more than all the jewels in the world. At first, the king was too surprised to speak. He looked at the gold, the jewels, and the servant, and his eyes grew large and round. At last, he said, Tell Aladdin to come at once, and I will welcome him as my son. तो अलादीन ने सुनते ही वो बात मान ली और जीनी को ऑर्डर दिया कि 40 डिशेज़ हों, और 40 डिशेज़ में जो है वो फ्रूट जूल्स हों, और वो जूल्स देकर उसने अपनी माँ को किंग के पास भेजा। और किंग जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान हुआ और उसने अलादीन को इनवाइट किया। Aladdin went to his wedding like a king. His clothes were covered with jewels and 50 servants followed him. He rode a beautiful black horse and the servants threw gold coins to all the people. The people shouted and cheered and the king was very glad. When Aladdin saw the king, he asked for some land near the palace. I shall build a house for myself and my new wife, he said. When the king woke up next morning, he looked out of his window. He saw a wonderful palace. It shone with gold and jewels, and all around it were gardens full of beautiful flowers. Of course, this was the work of the genie of the lamp, but the king did not know that. तो वो गया भी, शादी भी हुई, फिर उसने अपने लिए और उसकी प्रिंसेस के लिए किंग के पैलेस के साथ जो है वो जगह मांगी। उसने कहा मुझे आप जगह दें, मैं अपनी और अपनी बीवी के लिए भी वहाँ पर एक अच्छा सा पैलेस बनाना चाहता हूँ। और अगले दिन जब किंग उठा तो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा पैलेस बना हुआ था, उसमें गोल्ड भी था, ज्यूल्स भी थे, आसपास गार्डन में खूबसूरत फूल भी थे। अब किया तो ये जीनी नहीं था, लेकिन किंग को नहीं पता था। न्यू लैम्प्स फॉर ओल्ड। The wedding was a wonderful day for everyone except the Wazir. At last, the feast was over, and Aladdin and Badrul Badur were alone together. He took her in his arms. "I'm the luckiest man in the world," he said. The news of Aladdin, his wonderful palace, and his lovely wife reached the magician. He was very angry. He realized that Aladdin was not dead after all, so he escaped. Said the magician, "I must get that lamp." He put on his oldest clothes and bought a lot of cheap new lamps. Then he went through the streets calling new lamps for old. "Bring me your old lamp and I will give you a new one." Many people did this, and at last the news reached Princess Badrul Badur. Aladdin was not at home and she wanted to surprise him. She thought he would like to have a nice new lamp. She sent a servant with Aladdin's old lamp. "He will be so pleased," she said to herself. The magician was very pleased. As soon as the servant gave him the old lamp, he rubbed it. The genie appeared. "Take Aladdin's palace and everyone in it and put it down in the middle of Africa," the magician said. The genie picked the palace up in his hands and flew away. अब जब ये सारी खबर आसपास घूमना शुरू हुई, फैली, तो मैजिशियन तक भी पहुंच गई और मैजिशियन को पता चला कि अलादीन को तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। तो उसने क्या किया, उसने ट्रिक की जिसमें उसने पुराने लैंप्स की जगह न्यू लैंप्स देने की ऑफ़र लगाई और ये आवाज़ उसने गली गली में लगाना शुरू कर दी कि पुराने लैंप्स दें और नए लैंप्स ख़रीद लें। तो बदरुल बदूर को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था, प्रिंसेस को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था। तो एक दिन अलादीन घर नहीं था तो बदरुल बदूर ने क्या किया, उसको सरप्राइज़ करने के लिए उसने पुराना लैंप देकर नया लैंप जो है वो ख़रीद लिया उस मैजिशियन से। और मैजिशियन ने क्या किया, मैजिशियन ने जीनी को निकाला और जीनी से कहा कि अलादीन का पैलेस और उसमें मौजूद हर चीज़ जो है उठाओ और जाकर मिडल ऑफ अफ्रीका, एक और जो है कॉन्टिनेंट में जाकर रखा। और जीनी ने वैसे ही कर दिया। The genie of the ring. When Aladdin came home, he rubbed his eyes. Where was his beautiful palace? The king looked out of his window and rubbed his eyes too. Where was his beautiful daughter? The vizier came up to him. "I told you not to let your daughter marry that stranger," he said. "Now you know all about him. He is a magician and he has taken your daughter away forever." The king sent his soldiers to get Aladdin. They threw him into prison. The king sent for his executioner. "Cut off his head," said the vizier. "That will not bring my daughter back," said the king sadly. Aladdin began to understand. The magician came to the palace, which, while I was out, he said to himself, he found the lamp. That is the only answer. Suddenly he remembered the magic ring. He rubbed it and small genie appeared. "Genie," he said, "go and find my palace and wife. Bring them back to me at once." The genie looked sad. "I am very sorry, sir," it said. "I am not strong enough for that. The genie of the lamp is much stronger than I am. You will have to ask him." अब हुआ ये कि सबको पता चल गया, सारी पता है, पैलेस भी गायब हो गया और प्रिंसेस भी गायब हो गई। तो अलादीन को पकड़ कर जो है प्रिजन में डाल दिया गया। वज़ीर ने कहा इसका सर काट दें। किंग ने कहा इससे मेरी बेटी तो वापस नहीं आएगी। फिर एकदम से अलादीन को समझ आ गई सारी स्टोरी कि हुआ क्या होगा। फिर उसने एक रिंग भी तो पहनी हुई थी ना, जो पहला जिसमें से छोटा जीनी निकला था, तो उसमें से उसने क्या किया, उस रिंग को रब किया और उसमें से छोटा जीनी निकला। और उसने छोटे जीनी से कहा कि मेरा पैलेस और जो प्रिंसेस है उसे वापस ले आओ। लेकिन छोटे जीनी ने कहा यह काम आपको बड़े जीनी को ही कहना पड़ेगा, लैम्प के जीनी को ही कहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैं इस काम के लिए बहुत वीक हूँ, छोटा हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता। In Aladdin's palace. Aladdin thought for a minute, then he asked, "Can you carry me to my palace?" The genie smiled. "I am sure I can do that, sir," it said, and it did. तो ऐसा उसने कहा कि मैं कर लूँगा, मैं आपको उस पैलेस में लेके जा सकता हूँ। Soon Aladdin was in his own bedroom at the palace. He took the princess in his arms. "I have done something wrong," said Badrul Badur. She told Aladdin about the old man and the lamps. "He gave me this new one," she said, and put the old one in his pocket. Then the whole palace flew through the air. "I can't understand it." "Where is the old man now?" asked Aladdin. "He's downstairs," said Badrul Badur. "He wants to marry me. He says I must decide today." "Send for him," said Aladdin. "Tell him you agree, but give him some medicine to make him sleep. While he is sleeping, we can take the lamp." Then Aladdin hid himself in the cupboard in the bedroom. अब वहाँ पर वापस पहुँच कर उसने क्या कहा, उसने बदरुल बदूर से कहा कि तुम, क्योंकि बदरुल बदूर ने उसे बताया कि वो कह रहा है, मैजिशियन कह रहा है कि मेरे से शादी करो। तो उसने अलादीन ने कहा कि तुम उसे कहो कि ठीक है मैं एग्री करती हूँ, और फिर तुम उसको जो है वो नींद की दवाई दे दो। जब नींद की दवाई लेकर वो सोएगा तो हम वापस जो है उससे अपना लैंप ले लेंगे। Badrul Badur made a lovely cool drink for the magician. Then she sent a servant to invite him to her room. There she took off her veil and showed him her beautiful face. Sit down, she invited him, and drink. The magician drank. Soon he was asleep. तो बदरुल बदूर ने उसको ऊपर बुलाकर magician को उसको वो कूल सी एक ड्रिंक, ठंडी सी एक ड्रिंक पिला दी और जो है magician सो गया. Quickly Badrul Badur took the lamp. Aladdin came out of the cupboard. He took the lamp and rubbed it. I am glad to see you again, sir, said the genie. What can I do for you? A few seconds later, the king looked out of his window and saw Aladdin's palace again, with its lovely gardens. I was dreaming, the king said to himself. Then he remembered Aladdin and the executioner. I hope it is not too late, he said. Just then Aladdin came into the room with Badr al-Badur by his side. The king took them both in his arms. The wazir stole a horse and quietly rode away from the king's palace. And so Aladdin and his beautiful wife enjoyed a long and happy life. The bad old magician was left alone in Africa. Perhaps he is still there today. और फिर हुआ ये कि जब वो सो गया तो लैम्प को दोबारा रब किया, जिनी निकला उसमें से और जिनी को कहा कि दोबारा हमारा पैलेस वहीं पर ले जाओ और मैजिशियन को वहीं अफ्रीका में वो छोड़े. वज़ीर जो है वो पैलेस छोड़कर चला गया और किंग जो है वो उसने दोनों जो है वो अलादीन और उसकी वाइफ को गले लगा लिया और स्टोरी हैप्पीली एंड हो गई. ठीक है, अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ें, थोड़ी लेंथी स्टोरी है, इसकी रीडिंग करें अच्छे तरीके से, डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स की मीनिंग्स और समझें और डिक्टेशन याद करें. थैंक यू सो मच. वीडियोस को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.